Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Just picture it, this incredible machine, able to solve impossible problems, getting corrupted in a single flash.
So that's our mystery. How does one tiny poisoned particle bring the whole system crashing down?
To solve this, we gotta unmask two accomplices, a strange duo from the spooky world of quantum physics.
First up, the force. It's called entanglement, a spooky link that connects two particles no matter what.
And here's the weapon, the C-Not gate. Think of it as the switch that flips on that spooky connection.
Okay, so let's see how the crime unfolds. You see, the adversary doesn't need to break down any doors.
They just need to poison one particle. The C-Not gate and entanglement kick off a massive chain reaction.
It's called an entanglement cascade. One touch, and the whole system falls instantly and without a sound.
And the real-world impact? Well, it's terrifying. We're talking manipulated markets or corrupted data on a global scale.
So yeah, the science is clear. This weird quantum quirk can absolutely be weaponized for maximum damage. And listen, from where we're sitting in March 2026, this isn't sci-fi. It's right around the corner.
Which leaves us with a huge question. In our race to build the perfect computer, are we creating the perfect weapon? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.